Hello students, welcome you all in online English class. Hope you all will be safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to study a science story, Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. Let us know about the author. H.G. Wells's full name is Herbert George Wells and he was a prolific British writer. He is famous throughout the world of English literature as a writer of novels, history and science fiction. His famous work includes The Time Machine and The War of Worlds. Let us know about the story. The story, Footprints Without Feet, is about a brilliant scientist named Griffin. He once invented a rare drug in his laboratory that could make man invisible. He first tried the dose of the potions or drug on himself and became invisible. However, his presence can be felt physically. It is said that he misused his great discovery. He used his power of invisibility to steal money, clothes, and food. His stay in London was now tough with such power. So, when the story opens, the two muddy foot imprints were visible to the boys on London streets as Griffin, the invisible man, was running away from there. He had set fire in his landlord's house. As the latter ejected him from there, he did it out of revenge. After becoming a homeless wanderer, Griffin resorted in a big London store to protect himself from cold outside. He unpacks a couple of garments and wears them. The next morning, he was noticed by some of the assistant of the shop. He removed his clothes again and becomes invisible. Once more, he became naked in the chill winter air. He stole some clothes from the theatrical company to cover his face, but soon he realized that he should shelter to a small village. Now he arrived Epping after changing his face with a mask. Soon the strange appearance of a man became a topic of discussion for people of the village. Mrs. Hall, the landlady, tried to be friendly with her new guest. Griffin told her clearly that he did not want any disturbance in his hotel room. Soon, when his money exhausted, he began stealing from nearby houses. He burgled in the house of a clergyman. Both the clergyman and his wife heard the chink of money being taken from the drawer of the desk. They searched for the man everywhere and surprised that the room was totally empty. They could not understand anything. Suddenly, Mrs. Hall and her husband noticed some unusual events taking place in the room. They found Griffin's door opened, and when peeped in, she found all his bandages lying on the bed. Then a head suddenly rose up and hit Mrs. Hall's face. A chair pushed them out of the room. They thought the whole building was under the impact of some spirit or haunted place. They also suspected that the unusual guest is responsible for it. They reported the entire matter to the local police. At that point, the town constable, Mr. Jeffers, arrived with an arrest warrant of an invisible man. A wonderful scene was created there. The scientist, looking at the constable, started unbandaging himself. Mr. Jeffers was now beaten by the unseen blows that were coming from nowhere. Soon Jeffers got fainted and created panic in the whole area. Again Griffin became invisible and free. Now nobody know where he had gone. So this is all about the story. Thank you.